welcome to my channel. Tamara here, and today I am craving cookies. So it started with this awesome loot that my sister gave me. She has this box full of all kinds of decorations, cookie galore, so that was awesome. I went shopping that night and I came across this pan set for $12.99. I mean, hello, it was meant to be. First thing I did, the dry ingredients. I'll link the actual recipe down below. It's super simple. It's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. The three ingredients being flour, salt, and baking powder. I set those aside and then I got started on the wet ingredients. That's a mixture of eggs, butter, and sugar. Added it to a bowl and I was going to mix it with the mixer, but that was a horrible idea and it just went everywhere. Sugar, butter, so I scrapped that idea and then I switched over to the food processor, which was a heck of a lot easier, and everything was contained and blended up really nicely. The third step they did was just add the vanilla and egg, mixed it up gently, and then just tossed it in that food processor and gave it a blitz. As you can see, it's really creamy and mixed together. Just add that to your dry ingredients. I thought I could just mix it with the spatula, but that proved to be a little bit more difficult, so I ended up getting my hands in there and then really just mashing it all together with my hands. Once that was all molded and mixed together, I just popped it onto a cutting board and I started to roll it out. I just went with, like, I don't know, literally I guess it's like 1/8. Put that in the fridge and let that chill for an hour, and then I got started on my icing sugar. This is so simple. You just mix your icing sugar, a bit of honey. I used oat milk, and if it's too dry you can just add more liquid until it's that nice consistency that you like. There you go. Easy peasy. I wanted colorful cookies. I did a red icing, and then I also did like a green icing. There was 3 cookie cutters and I just stuck with the stars and the trees. I thought those were the prettiest shapes. Let them bake for 8 to 12 minutes depending on how hot your oven gets. Again, this is my first time making sugar cookies, so it looked good to me. Then I let them cool for 15 minutes so that the icing sugar would melt off. And then I saw this like little hack where you can take plastic bags, put your icing sugar in it, and then squeeze it out. So I thought that was pretty awesome, and I'm like, I'm gonna do that. Let me tell you, frosting cookies is trickier than I expected. I got a little bit of a nailed it going on with that first batch of cookies. So yeah, there's my cookies. I really like that design the best. I think that one turned out the prettiest. Nonetheless, they still taste delicious. Yeah, that was really fun. I got the cookie craving out of my system, and that's definitely a recipe that I probably wouldn't make again because there's so much butter and sugar. But having said that, they are delicious and you should definitely give it a try. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me and have an awesome afternoon. Bye.